Gonna collect all the. I wouldn't mind picking it up. Or I guess when we get done, we can try to pick up as much as we can.
Yeah. I brought some garbage bags and.
Okay. Good thinking. I'm a little OCD sometimes, so I would figure I should go and pick them up after. It's like, why not just wait and do it all at once?
Yeah. I'm with you, man.
That gun is loud. That falling off.
Oh, he took out all the freaking targets.
Safe take.
How'd it feel?
Got some kick, huh?
Not really.
No?
No.
Yeah.
Not really at all.
It sounds a lot worse than it feels.
It does.